Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI, and it's summertime, so you probably have a nice summer glow, but if you want to keep that glow going far beyond summer, you need to try this Bahama Mama bronzer by theBalm. I love theBalm makeup. It's a beautiful company, and I like the ingredients they use. They use really great ingredients for this Bahama Mama bronzer. I think it's super. I like the cute little packaging that it comes in, and it also has a mirror. I like this so much. I originally had bought the travel size, and I needed the big size because it was so great. This bronzer is super easy to apply. I don't have any other makeup on. I just like to put it on my cheeks, on my forehead, just to give me a little bit of an extra healthy glow. And I like that it's not too orangey, it's not shiny, it's more of a matte glow, and I just like that it's very natural looking. It's long lasting, and the ingredients are really great. So if you're looking for a really natural bronzer with great ingredients, definitely try the Bahama Mama bronzer. I love it. You'll love it too, and that's my point of view.